Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And today I'm going to be reviewing this case I recently got, guys. So if you didn't watch my last video, I did the unboxing of my new iPad 13-inch Pro. Guys, check that out because that video is pretty cool. I showed you what I ordered, what I got, and what I recommend. Anyways, guys, so to tell you about this case here, I got it from online. It's called Fintie, and it's Fintie. I don't really like this case, guys. This is my honest opinion, guys. I'm being honest with you guys. I'm gonna link the one I'm gonna buy down in the description. But a couple things, guys. So first of all, you have the case here. You have the plastic. Your iPad fits in all these four corners. The screen, guys, come on. Like, let me tell you, the screen is not that good. Like, look at that. Look at that quality. It's very flimsy. It's just plastic is coming up on the corners. It's not show you guys a case. Like, yes, it does have some cool features. The case is kind of bulletproof, right? It has this stand if you're watching movies or Netflix. But look at it, guys. Here, when you put your iPad in, your iPad is going to be wiggling around and it's not secure. There's no areas, guys, that is going to support your iPad. In the back, guys, your iPad's going to get all scratched up on these hexagons here. And I don't want you guys to get an iPad that's all scratched up, guys. Trust me. You have a new iPad, you're here to protect it, right? And you don't want to even get it all more damaged, you know, like, then what's the point of a cover, right? Anyways, guys, so as I was saying, I do a lot of drawing, guys. I use the pen and I draw a lot. Now look at this. When you draw, the screen is going to be all scratched up over time because this screen can't handle it. It really can't. This screen is just plastic. So what I was thinking, guys, is I have my iPad here. I'm going to order a new screen protector and a separate case. I'm not going to get a 2-in-1 because when you get a 2-in-1, I feel like the 2-in-1, you never get quality. You just get like a 2-in-1 and it's like, it's not good quality. And then the case is not that good too. So it's better if I buy a separate screen protector that's glass, a tempered glass, and then I get basically a case that I like that is heavy duty. So here, let me show you. Like, I recently bought this one here, guys. Well, I had it for my old iPad a long time ago, but then I got rid of the iPad, and then, you know, life goes on, right? I had so many iPads in the past, but this one is tempered glass. This one's made for a smaller iPad, not like this one. But it comes with everything you guys need, you know? It's like, it comes with the wipes. It comes with, like, you know, the dust remover. You get the screen protector inside, you know? And I put this one on right now just to experiment, guys. And I know it's not the right size, but it covers the main area. Say, for example, let's fire up some drawing apps here. So here we go. So I'm gonna do new sketch. Now, for example, guys, when you're drawing, you're gonna want to have, let me just get some blue in. Okay. So when you're drawing, you want to make sure that you don't scratch the screen. And this tempered glass is very strong. Like, it's really thick. It's thicker than this guy here. This guy, look, it's all flimsy, and look, it's already popping out. I don't really like this, guys. I just say the craftsmanship on this stuff, it's not good. And this, okay, so compared that to this, you're going to be drawing, and this can be scratched up, but you're going to scratch the hell out of it, guys, because you're drawing. This is the iPad meant for drawing, guys. We want to create some good content. We want to make some good drawings. And if we're using this every single day, we're going to see pits in the screen. It's just not going to be like, it's not going to live up to our expectations, guys. It's not. It really isn't. Like, I want something I can come to every single day and know that, hey, I can just get a nice clean cloth and wipe it away. Like, for example, like, you know, you can just get a cloth like this, guys, and clean it, you know? And then you know that, look, the screen is crystal clear. There's no marks or anything. If you look at this one, guys, I'm going to wipe it, and you're still going to see the scratch marks and everything in here. It's not going to go away. Because this screen here, it's tempered glass. Like, that's what they promote, you know? They say ultra clear, tempered glass, scratch resistance, high responsibility, so response. So there's so much good things about tempered glass, guys. I'm not sure about what they say here, 9 hours hardness, but maybe it's like after 9 hours. I don't know. Oh, maybe you have to wait 9 hours to hard. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'm telling you, like, if you're drawing all the time, you're gonna want to get a tempered glass screen. So here, let me show you here. So, for example, when you're doing all of your artwork, you're always gonna be like swiping on your screen up and down, side to side, and trust me, guys, you don't want to have a screen protector that's not gonna do the job. That really isn't gonna cut it. You want something that's gonna be tough, it's gonna be durable, and it's gonna work good for your drawing skills. So let me just show you guys. I like drawing all the time, and I like creating so much content. I'm gonna make some more content in this coming year. But since it is Valentine's Day, guys, I'm gonna show you quickly, guys, how to draw a rose. So we're gonna come here. We're gonna get some red, and a rose. I like to go like that, and like that. Perfect. And then also I can just get some green here, guys. Nice, and like that. I'm sure we have to shade everything in, but it works really good, guys, because this screen protector is tempered glass. So this is not going to be my permanent screen protector because it's too small. It still has the circle home button. If you guys remember that, guys, that was like, in the early 2000s. That was like the OG, guys. But yeah, I'm going to tempered glass, guys. That's the way I'm going to be doing it, guys. And in the beginning, I thought like, okay, a 2-in-1 case. Yeah, everyone thinks the 2-in-1 is really good. You get the screen protector and then you also get the case. But to be honest, guys, I don't think the 2-in-1 is the way to go. Like, what happens if your screen is all like scratched up, which it will eventually get scratched up because it's cheap plastic pretty much, right? And you want to have a new screen, and guess what? They're not going to make this case anymore. They're going to discontinue it because it's from China. They discontinue a lot of things. This brand, I don't even know what it is. The case, this says something. So it says Tara. And then look, guys, let me show you one thing. This one says Fintie. Like, what is the brand here? Fintie or Tuna? Like, what are they saying? And then I'm going to search it up online, and probably never going to ever find that brand ever again. Because these people, they make stuff in China, and then after, it just never gets continued again. It's just people make their own private labels. They slap on their label and their brand, and they call it whatever, and then you never see it back ever again, guys. So, I want to tell you guys something. Like, if you buy your own case and your own screen protector like this, guys, you know that you can always take off this old screen protector and put a new one on. And there you go. You still have the case. You still have your tempered glass screen. So anyways, guys, I really hope this video helped you. I'm going to have a new video linked down in the description. When I make the new video, I'm going to tie it to this video to show you my final setup, guys, on what case I'm using, what screen protector I'm using. And yeah, it's really bad that I had like mixed opinions on this. Like, I really should have, like, it's good to experiment, guys, and to learn, like, what's working and what's not. But the thing is, guys, you want quality. You don't want garbage, like, that's a thing. You want something nice so you can work every single day and you can do your artwork without any worries. Like, I was really worried, guys, about, like, this is a new iPad. The back of the case is probably gonna get scratched up because of all this hexagon stuff, right? Like, this hexagon stuff, it's crazy. Like, look, once you're moving around, of course it's gonna scratch the back of your case. It's gonna scratch everything. But you guys really want to protect your screen and the back of your iPad. And guys, if you guys want to, like, just draw without a screen, like, you can go like on here. You can do it, but the thing is, guys, your screen is going to get scratched over time. There's going to be marks. And I prefer, guys, to have a nice screen at the end of the day, so I can just take it off, put a new screen protector on, and yeah, it's a new day. It's a new me, and that I'm saying, like, I know these iPads are very, very expensive, so you want to take most of like the care you can to take care of them. You know, you don't want to treat them like it's just like, okay, yeah, I can get a new one tomorrow, but you can't, because maybe some of us, we can buy new iPads every single day. But most of us guys, this is our pride and possession. You know, this is what we look forward to. This is what we work off of. This is how we draw. This is how we help clients. You know, we need a good iPad that works and that's solid and heavy duty. We don't want iPads breaking down. We don't want iPads getting scratches. We don't want something in the glass of the screen getting scratched. You know, we want to make sure, guys, that our iPad lasts the test of time, guys. We don't want to keep buying new iPads year to year, guys. So anyways, guys, I'm sorry for ranting on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys took some note too. And the note is basically, don't buy a case that has 2-in-1 built in, guys, because you know what they say, if you want 2-in-1, nothing's going to be perfect. It's better if you buy your own parts and piece it all together. You know, they even say that, guys, too, when you build a PC. You know, when you build a PC, it's better if you take all the parts and build it yourself instead of buying a PC, because you know what RAM you can put in it. You know how to cool a system efficiently with water cooling. You know how to do all this and that. You know, that's the thing. Like, you can go to the dealership and buy a new car, say for example a Ferrari, or you can get a used car, maybe not quite the Ferrari, but you can build it. And if you know what you're doing, you can beat that Ferrari no matter what, because you're going to spend more time and dedication on learning little things and tips and tricks on how to build that engine. And that engine will definitely overbeat the Ferrari. So that's the thing when you're building out your iPad. Yes, you can have it all done for you. Do it for you, 2-in-1 case. But the thing is it going to be perfect? No. The thing is, why do people order 2-in-1 cases? Because they want everything done for them. But if you guys are willing to shop around and use your knowledge and power just to look and see what you want in a case, then yeah, you can eventually build out your case and it'll be strong and it will stand the test of time, guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to click that thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos, guys, because if you're not subscribing and click the thumbs up button, well, guess what? What's the point? What's the point, guys? You know, we gotta subscribe. We gotta turn off notifications. We need to turn them on because we need to tune in and hear what we gotta say every single day and every single night, you know. Anyways, guys, okay, guys, have a good day. Take care and peace out.